Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Whooping great. Whooping great has the same meaning as very big. Example. I've just caught a whopping great fish. I've just caught a whopping great fish. Please practice. Next. Cheerio. Cheerio has the same meaning as goodbye. As an exercise. We'll see you tomorrow, but cheerio for now. Again. We'll see you tomorrow, but cheerio for now. You can make your own example. Ravishing. Has the same meaning as beautiful. Example. Wow, Sarah. You look ravishing in that dress. Wow, Sarah. You look ravishing in that dress. Please practice. Tardy. Tardy has the same meaning as late. As an exercise. They were punished for their tardy arrival in class. They were punished for their tardy arrival in class. Onerous. Onerous has the same meaning as difficult. As an exercise. This system is very onerous and takes a long time to learn. This system is very onerous and takes a long time to learn. Next. Nom has the same meaning as delicious. For example. These noodles are totally nom. I'm going to have another bowl. Again. These noodles are totally nom. I'm going to have another bowl. You can make your own. Bang on. Bang on has the same meaning as correct. For example. His guess was absolutely bang on. His guess was absolutely bang on. Example. Everyone was startled by the clap of thunder. Everyone was startled by the clap of thunder. Dinky. Dinky has the same meaning as cute. As an exercise. That's such a dinky little kitten. What's its name? That's such a dinky little kitten. What's its name? Next. Nigh on. Has the same meaning as nearly. Example. It's hot. I think it's nigh on 35 degrees. It's hot. I think it's nigh on 35 degrees. I hope you guys are still focused. Enraged has the same meaning as angry. Example. My neighbor is enraged at our noisy parties. My neighbor is enraged at our noisy parties. Tremendous. Tremendous has the same meaning as great. Example. That is a tremendous song. Play it again. That is a tremendous song. Play it again. Circumvent has the same meaning as avoid. For example. The thieves circumvented the alarm system. The thieves circumvented the alarm system. Petrified has the same meaning as scared. Example. Your brother petrified of spiders. Your brother petrified of spiders. Next. Gutted has the same meaning as very sad. For example, I was gutted that I couldn't come to your wedding. I was gutted that I couldn't come to your wedding. Pronto. Pronto has the same meaning as immediately. Example. I need you to finish the report pronto, as the deadline is approaching. I need you to finish the report pronto, as the deadline is approaching. Nipper has the same meaning as child. Example. I was just a nipper when we lived here. I was just a nipper when we lived here. And the last one. Take the plunge. Take the plunge has the same meaning as get married. As an exercise. I love her, but I love my freedom too. I'm scared to take the plunge. Again. I love her, but I love my freedom too. I'm scared to take the plunge. Hope it is useful. Thank you for watching. If this video is useful for you, please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.